Hey everybody, today we're here at SeaWorld Orlando for the first ever Project Penguin construction update. Project Penguin has just began construction, aka land clearing has just began a few days ago. So yeah, let's see what land clearing is going on and check out some of the other things the park has to offer. And apparently, Sky Tower has begun testing and today's employee preview is what I've heard of. Not that sure, let's go check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is, Project Penguin, the new for 2023 B&M Surf Coaster. And yeah, most of it's completely gone already. All this land is completely gone. It was all cleared up for like the past 2 weeks. Alright, time to get a little bit away from Project Penguin for a second. We're gonna go check out Icebreaker, the new roller coaster here at SeaWorld. Just opened up around 3 weeks ago. Absolutely amazing. We got to ride this during pass holder previews, actually the first day of it. And yeah, we're gonna go get another ride on Icebreaker, and I'll tell you how it is. And then we'll go check out some more of the Project Penguin stuff. Currently in line for Icebreaker. I'm gonna time how long it takes to get on it, and I'll tell you guys how it is. I can't.
Between the U-bar and C-bar under the shin pad. Be sure personal items do not enter.
Rode Icebreaker. Took only about 28 minutes to actually get on the line. It was advertised 45, so a lot quicker. So I thought we would be able to go through here, but apparently it's a separate ticketed event. So yeah, not gonna be able to get some views of the land clearing going on over there. But I did learn some more information that I will tell you in a minute about some of the land clearing going on. Alright, so I found a little bit more information on the land clearing currently going on. So what it looks like is, what I've heard is, the buildings with the red roofs are going to be completely torn down, as well as these two buildings over on the side are going to be torn down with the silver roofs. But it seems like some of the foundations, maybe some of this greenery will be staying, as what I know of, but land clearing is still going on. And also the yellow things are completely drained out right now. That's where some of the concrete footers will be for this ride. Just a few days ago, the park's Sky Tower ride finally reopened after being closed down for over 2 years. Let's get some aerial views. Let's get some aerial views of the land clearing. Well, should have thought actually twice. It's actually closed right now, but it will be back open tomorrow because today, team members are able to actually preview and ride the ride. So yeah, be here next time. We'll be able to get some aerial views. Obviously right now there is not really much to look at except for some of the land clearing. So yeah, let's see if we can get an view of it real quick. Also, do note, by the time this video is coming out, which is about 2 days away from me actually uploading it, Sky Tower will be back open. So if you guys want to check out, get some nice aerial views of the ride running, or just get some nice aerial views of the park, it will be open. As you can see, it looks like it's going up right now. Also going on right now, the Seven Seas Food Festival is happening right now at the park. Although I don't remember the exact dates, but it is happening for the time being. Mako currently showing a 75-minute wait. Let's go ride it real quick at the quick queue. Just did Mako in the back row. Honestly, really good ride. Absolutely amazing. Still my favorite B&M Hyper. I had a lot of room between me and the train. Honestly, really fun ride. Alrighty everybody, that is going to do it today here from SeaWorld Orlando for the first Project Penguin construction update. The new for 2023 B&M Surf Roller Coaster coming to SeaWorld Orlando. Now, I did find some new things out. We also showed you some buildings that are going to be soon torn down, and land clearing is in process. The land clearing right now is actually really good, and overall, seems like that we may have footings being poured in a matter of months now, or even weeks. So yeah, if you enjoy what we do here on this channel, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you guys think of the new B&M Surf Coaster. Also, Icebreaker is running fantastic, and the Sky Tower is going to be reopening tomorrow. And also today was employee previews for that. Journey's still closed, but they also they have done some sort of testing with the ride. And yeah, a lot of stuff doing here. Biggest thing is Project Penguin. So if you want to see more of these construction updates, we'll be doing the whole series until the ride opens. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.